Okay.
Like this guy here is just
Okay.
starting to divide.
So is our mobile also having, we can fit camera to it and we can take pictures, or how did you take these pictures?
We have a little thing that connects your phone to the microscope so you
Ah,
can take pictures
you can?
and see better.
Oh, so can you show me?
We don't have anything to put in the
No,
microscope.
no. Where you fix this mobile, that is what I wanted to see. That you said that you can fix the mobile to the microscope and you can see. So that is what I was thinking, because that's most important. Like, because once we are able to see through that, we cannot show it on the others. But then when you put it with this,
Yeah, it's just a little
yeah.
plastic thing.
Oh wow.
That's cool.
Oh,
Just line it up with the back
I
of the
never
camera.
understood how they
Okay.
got those pictures.
oh, so beautiful.
Yeah, this is very
That's good.
helpful.
Show me whatever it is there. Let us see that.
I have.
You young boys are really very, innovative in doing all these things.
I'm trying. I'm trying to keep up with these.
But
two
very good,
mostly.
very good, but very good.
Let's see.
Because that's what, when many a times you feel short of all these kinds of, equipments handy in with you, and then it's very difficult to tell the world, oh, see, I could see this in the microscope. But when you take it through this, you have evidence.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
very
is
nice.
easier to take pictures, and
Yeah.
sometimes it's easier to see
Yeah.
than using just a little
Okay.
wide piece. My eyes are not good, so this is better. Oop,
Okay.
straighten up there. So I just have some stuff that was growing in with the kelp
Okay.
that we don't want with the kelp. Let's see if I can re-find them. Yeah.
Yeah, what is that you're showing now?
That's just some sort of algae that's growing
Okay.
with our kelp that we don't want
Okay.
there. But
Oh. Oh.
come on, focus, please. That might be as good as
No, but
it's
still
gonna
I
get.
can see. I can see. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
wonderfully doing. Wow. I'm surprised. I'm amazed, and I'm really thankful to you. You have shown me this idea, and I'm going to use it. Show me again what. How do I take this? Like where I will get this connectivity? This one.
Amazon.
Amazon. What
Yeah.
it is called?
I guess just a microscope phone
Microscope phone holder
adapter
adapter.
thing.
Oh, is it available? Wow, good that today I have come here. This is what I was looking forward to. Like then we can click the pictures also directly. Otherwise, in such a situation, we have to go to electron microscope or some microscope where you will then get a picture on that screen, and then you can take the pictures. But this is very good.
No,
With a simple microscope also, you can use it for this purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Kevin.
Wow, very nice. God bless you.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Last name. And your last name.
So these style of tanks is for larvae.